In this video, I'm revealing a product that rakes in $600,000 a month on Amazon. I'll also show you how to find similar high profit products so you can start selling and making serious money on Amazon. Don't miss this. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So what product is making so much money? Well, I'm using AMZ Scout to show me how much sales the competitors are making on Amazon. And we can see right here, this one has estimated sales. It's making 20,000 sales a month at $29.96. We're gonna click on it. And this is from it adds up all of these variations. So right now it says 3,000 bought in the past month, but it's also adding the chicken, this one, the fox. So we're adding it all together and we can run the analysis with AMZ Scout and it's showing $600,000 a month in revenue, which is pretty darn awesome. You can also look at more data here and we can see how sales spiked, what's going on. So we just wait for this to load. And then we can check the product history. We can just look at the sales, right? And we can see when does the sales spike. And it looks like this is a great holiday season product. And we can also look at to see how much the price went up. Is the price going up or down? $34.99, they dropped it down. They spiked it back up during the holiday season to 30, let's see. I believe it was 35. They spiked it $34.95. So they spiked it up and then dropped it back down. So again, it depends on the demand, but right now they're making $618,000 a month to be specific, which is a significant amount of money. So how do we copy them or find products that are similar to them so we can double down and make a significant money on Amazon? Because even 10% of this is still around $60,000 a month. So what we're doing is going to AMZ Scout, we're gonna log in, and then I just went into the keyword and listings. They got so many different tools, right? Product research, but keyword and listings tool, and I'm just typing in DIY kit. So I believe that this is really, really big because it's a DIY kit. So they're not selling this dinosaur, they're selling how to create the dinosaur. They're giving written directions, they're giving the materials, and they're giving video directions. They upload it to YouTube or something and you scan it. So very, very cool stuff. But it looks like the DIY kits are making a lot of money. People want to have DIY kits because they can spend time with their kids and create it together. And it's a lot more fun to create something and do it yourself. So if I type in DIY kit, I see birdhouse DIY kit for toddlers. And again, people are searching this 3,000 a month, which is pretty awesome. This is super specific. This is a great way to find products. So I would have never thought of a DIY kit for toddlers, but if we go here and we type in DIY kit for toddlers, we can see some competitors here. Hand puppets. But what's crazy is these rock painting kits, right? If I look at this, I want to see how much money they're making, and then we're going to dive a little bit deeper to see. So they're making $200,000 a month on a little rock painting kit, which is just completely insane, right? So this is an item that I believe you could pretty much double down on and make a significant amount of money. So I'm just gonna do DIY rock painting kit. Oh, there we go, rock painting kit. So people are typing it in, it's showing up. And we're gonna see how many competitors there are. All the competitors, almost all of them, are making a significant amount of money. So this one's 1,000 sales a month, another 1,000 sales a month, 1,000 sales a month, 800 bought in the past month. Pet rocks, I know I heard of this one. So again, this is a great way to create different ideas on what else you could sell. So if we know that DIY crochet kits make a lot of money, DIY rock painting kits, what else do toddlers like, right? DIY unicorn creating kits, DIY unicorn, because they love, I know, unicorns and trucks. So we got unicorns. I don't really see a huge DIY kit for this. So this could be an area you could double down. This one looks pretty good. It's a little bit of a painting, but if it was very, very specific, like DIY unicorn rock painting kit, right? So very specific, I think it would be doing better. What about trucks? So we're kind of utilizing AMZ Scout to find different items that have to do with DIY. And we can see right here, there's almost no competitors in this area. So I see 1, 2, 3. These ones don't really count. They don't look that nice. These ones are legit, and it's already making a significant amount of money. 600 bought in the past month. Then we can run again the analysis just to see $12,000 a month. Not bad. And I think it could do better, right? So we're kind of just shooting different ideas on how to create it. So utilizing AMZ Scout, what we want to do is double down on the DIY kits and see what could we create, right? That mimics the amount of sales. We know for a fact crochet kits, DIY crochet kits are awesome. And now we've got rock painting kits. We've got DIY wooden trucks, which has almost no competitors. And then kind of going, maybe there's unicorn kits. So utilizing AMZ Scout to look at the monthly search volume, to also look at the monthly sales, to find different products to launch. Right now, I see that this has a lot of potential to launch it, right? And then trying to go into this and seeing, okay, can we launch a product like this? Do I enjoy this? And then you create a tutorial with videos and go from there. But that's it for today's video. Did you want me to find more products that have potential to make $600,000 a month? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that'll help you in your Amazon journey. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of ehpconsultinggroup.com, and I'm signing out.